Are you looking for the best electric griddle? In this video we are looking 6 best electric griddle. In this review, we'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 6. CROSSON 16-inch 16-inch. Commercial electric countertop griddle, flat top griddles with non-stick 2/5 inch thick iron cooking plate for restaurant and home use 120V/1750W, spatula included. Even in consistent cooking, the 2/5 inch thick steel cooking surface heats evenly throughout for consistent cooking results, no matter where you place your food on the griddle plate. Versatile griddle, thanks to thermostatic control from 190 degrees Fahrenheit to 575 degrees F, whether you're cooking pancakes, burgers, grilled cheese, or scrambled eggs, this heavy-duty stainless steel griddle provides the durability and performance you need to get the job done. Large cooking zone, 16-inch *16 non-stick iron cooking plate welding to the base with the most advanced laser welding technology, and no more worries about oil leakage. Easy clean, the 2.7-inch splash guards on the sides and back of the griddle protect the user and surrounding walls from hot grease and oil splatters. Removable grease tray makes cleaning a breeze. Rounded edges. Not only good looking, but also safe to use. Adjustable legs, the stainless steel legs that come with this griddle are adjustable from 2-inch to 3 to provide stability on any surface. Number 5. Commercial Gas Griddle-12-inch *23-inch. Gas Griddle Flat Top Grill, 19mm thick and heating plate heavy-duty stainless steel gas griddle, countertop griddle for restaurant equipment 22. Special feature, temperature control, removable surface. Brand, Steelbus. Wattage, 6,000 watt-hours. Item weight, 82.1 pounds. Included components, gas griddle stove X1 set. Style, commercial, portable, heavy-duty. Number of settings 6. Classic style Y, Safan durable, American design that has been precipitated for a century, and the design and system matching of all components come from the United States. The products have passed professional tests of CSA, NSF, and ETL. Countertop griddle is with the pressure stabilizing valve which makes the unstable air pressure stable and safer. Wide applications, small and portable design, stainless steel griddle is equipped with 2 devices, natural gas and propane gas, which can be converted according to the on-site demand. Flat top grill can be used in different environments to increase our scope of use for cooking indoors and outdoors for home and business, such as restaurants, bars, fast food trucks, RVs, kitchens, camping, etc. Multifunction, gas griddle flat top grill can make various kinds food such as hamburgers, steak, omelets, fried rice, fried noodles, tortillas, cheesecakes, bacon, meat skewers, stir-fried vegetables, 3 meals and so on. Number 4. Ninja Griddle and Indoor Grill. 14-foot, electric grill, for steak, burgers, salmon, veggies, and more, pancake griddle, non-stick, dishwasher safe, 500F, even cooking. Special feature, temperature control, non-stick coating, dishwasher safe, scratch resistant. Brand, Ninja. Wattage, 1,450 watts. Item weight, 7.8 pounds. Included components, Ninja Sizzle smokeless indoor grill and griddle, 14-foot non-stick grill plate, 14 non-stick flat top griddle plate Ninja Sizzle smokeless indoor grill and griddle, 14 non-stick grill plate, 14 non-stick flat top griddle plate. Interchangeable grill and griddle plates, from char-grilled strip steaks to sizzling fajita veggies, unlock delicious flavors any time of the day using the interchangeable grill and griddle plates. 500 degrees Fahrenheit max heat, reach temperatures of up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit for high heat grilling and searing and get better char-grilled marks * right from your kitchen. Edge-to-edge cooking, no hot spots. No cold spots. Just even edge-to-edge heating for perfectly cooked dishes every time. LOW Smoke Grill, the perforated mesh lid helps to control smoke in your kitchen and reduce splatter, and the plates are equipped with high walls and grease catches for a pleasant cooking experience. Family-sized capacity, the 14-foot grill and griddle plates fit a half dozen burgers and pancakes to feed a family of 4 to 6 people.
Hassle-free cleanup. The removable grill and griddle plates are non-stick and easy to clean, and the perforated mesh lid is detachable and dishwasher safe.
Number 3. Zojirushi EA-DCC10 Gourmet Sizzler Electric Griddle.
Special feature, temperature control, keep warm setting.
Brand, Zojirushi. Item weight, 12 pounds. Included components, spatula. Electric griddle with large cooking surface, 19 inches by 12.5 inches. Variable heat settings from keep warm, 176 to 425. Easy to use temperature control plug clicks when inserted correctly. Durable and easy to clean ceramic cooking surface with titanium enhanced non-stick coating. Number 2. Traeger Grills TFT18 KLD Ranger. Portable wood pellet grill and smoker, electric tabletop pellet smoker with digital arc controller, cast iron griddle, for tailgating and outdoor cooking. Brand, Traeger. Model name, Ranger Grill. Power source, wood pellet. Fuel type, wood pellet. Digital arc controller for precise cooking. The Traeger Ranger portable pellet grill features a digital arc controller for accurate temperature control, allowing you to grill, smoke, and sear with precision on any outdoor adventure. Advanced grilling logic ensures consistent heat. Enjoy perfectly cooked meals every time with the advanced grilling logic system, providing consistent heat and optimal temperature. Great for tailgating or small outdoor spaces. Easy to clean porcelain-coated grates and cast iron griddle. Comes with a separate cast iron griddle and porcelain-coated grill grates for easy cleanup. This versatile tabletop pellet grill lets you grill, smoke, and sear your favorite foods. Built-in meat probe for perfect doneness. Monitor your food's internal temperature with the included meat probe, ensuring your meats are cooked to perfection on this small pellet smoker. Ideal for on-the-go grilling. Keep warm mode. The keep warm mode ensures your food stays at the perfect temperature until you're ready to serve. Ideal for busy outdoor gatherings or tailgating. It adds convenience to your portable grilling experience. Number 1. Commercial Electric Griddle 29-inch. Large countertop griddle, non-stick flat top grill, stainless steel teppanyaki griddle with adjustable temperature 90 degrees Fahrenheit - 575 degrees Fahrenheit for restaurant use 240V 3500W. Brand, Agkitbo. Wattage, 3500 watts. Item weight, 71.6 pounds. Included components, 1x user manual, 1x stainless steel grill spatula. Large cooking area. The professional commercial griddle is made of high-quality stainless steel with a non-stick cooking surface. The large cooking area is 28.5 inch x 15.7 inch, providing enough cooking space. And 10 mm thick steel cooking surface heats evenly to ensure consistent cooking result. You can use it to cook multiple dishes at the same time, saving a lot of time. It is suitable for restaurants, hotels, and concession stands. Adjustable temperature. There are 2 temperature control knobs on the panel of the flat-top grill. We can turn the dial to adjust the temperature and meet the cooking needs of different foods. The temperature range of the electric griddle is 90 degrees Fahrenheit - 575 degrees Fahrenheit, 32 degrees Celsius, 301 degrees Celsius. With the dense heating coils, foods are able to be cooked evenly and thoroughly. Easy to clean. The surface of the grill is smooth and non-stick, which is easy to clean. The griddle has a large capacity grease tray, which helps to collect excess grease and food residues, and the waste oil and food can also be quickly cleaned through the grease tray. User-friendly, the griddle pan has extra splash guards to minimize splattering of hot grease. Curled edges protect hand from scratches. In order to reduce the housing's temperature of the grill, multiple vents have been specially designed. And overheat protection will turn on when the oil temperature reaches 575 degrees Fahrenheit. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.